Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got a refrigerated variety from Myojo, USA. This is the Ramen Spicy Tantanmen Spicy Creamy Sesame flavor. That's what we're going to do. Before I do anything, before this boils all the way, I want to have a happy egg to go on at the end, and this is how I do them. I think most people do them differently. There you go. Teeter totter. Yeah, I'm just like getting the yolk out. That's pretty good. We'll put you right here. Yes, we will. So we're gonna boil this for, I think it's a minute and a half. A minute 15 to a minute 30. I'm going to do a minute and 22 seconds. So this is a fresh noodle. That's why it has to be refrigerated or frozen. Honestly, I usually see this stuff more refrigerated than frozen. What I think is funny though is like the udon, I'll see that sometimes. And it's frozen or refrigerated. It doesn't need to be. The ones that come in pouches, yeah. I don't know why they do that. They know you don't have to do it. Maybe the idea is that it's a little more premium that way. But it's good to go as soon as you get it. So, all right. So this really doesn't take long. I'm happy to announce both of my children have graduated to booster seats. They're excited. Okay, and for the broth, we're gonna need, I'm just gonna use some of the liquid that the noodles boiled in. Some people might find that to be absolutely terrible, but I don't. 1 1/4 cup. All right. But how many milliliters? I like using milliliters, honestly. Here it is. This is just about done. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is attempt to not make a mess, which I am really good at making messes. I know what I'll do. There we go. Haha. A little bit more. Just for future reference, 1 1/4 cups is, looks like about 270 mils of liquid. So we're going to drain these. We're going to add the sachet in. That's the face I make when I'm slapping sachets. So let's throw this in. So the idea is what you do is you, in a separate pot, you boil 1 1/4 cups of water and then do this and that. But it's just like, I don't really like to surround my camera with 2 boiling pots and burners. So this is a simpler way to go. There's some, I mean, the directions on this aren't bad, but the directions on some things is just like, do this, do that, do the other thing, and it's just like, I don't know why they want you to do all this crazy business. But they want you to. The guinea pigs over there, they're chattering away. But they don't get to try instant noodles. I thought it might be cute to let them try instant noodles, but then I was like, Definitely getting a salty sesame hit right out the gate. So let's do her up. And I hope that that'll fit in this. I think it should. I think. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, God. Freaking goodness. Oh. Oh, guinea pigs. There you are. Oh, that's a nice color. Here, let's get a... Okay. And we've got our... I don't know what I want to name this egg. Eggadocious. Are you gonna stay there? I'd really prefer that you didn't. Yeah. Kind of winging it with this one. The broth is nice. I'll try the noodle after I take the beauty shots. It's a sesame one, so there's some sesame. And then we're gonna do a little shichimi, I believe. All over. And that is that. Spicy creamy Tantanmen. Here we go. Rotato. Alright, well that's it for me today. It's already 9:20 and it's getting toasty in the kitchen, so I'm calling it good. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.